Okay. So now we're going to do adding. Okay? What color are we going to use? Let's figure out what colors we have for options first. All right, so we have yellow. We have a pretty teal green color, a purple, a blue, red, and black. Which one are we going to use?
Blue.
You want to use?
Wait, black.
You're going to use the black?
Blue.
Blue and black. All right.
Yep. So, Mom, I get to do the blue and you do the black.
Okay. So how about, let's do some easy things. Let's do our numbers first.
Ow.
Ooh, careful.
Because this is super hard.
So let's do some numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right?
Yep.
So what is 1 plus 1 equal?
2.
2. What is 2 plus 1 equal?
3.
3. What is 3 plus 1 equal?
4.
Do you see a theme? A pattern? It's the next number because we're just counting. So let's mix it up, okay? What's 4 plus 2 equal?
6.
6. What is 5 plus 2 equal?
7.
7. Mixing it up again. What is 6 plus 3 equal?
Yikes.
What's 6 plus 3?
9.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that one's real hard.
It was a little hard. What about
My do.
7 plus 3? What would that be?
Oh, no. 10.
10, that's right.
Wow, that one's a lot more hard.
Yeah?
No, I don't want to.
Hold on a minute. I don't want you to write on your face. What about 8 plus 3? What does that equal?
Oh.
Do you know?
11.
11, yep. What about 9 plus 2?
11.
11. What about 10 plus 5?
Wow.
Can you do that one?
I'm gonna yes.
What is 10 plus 5?
I'm just trying not yes or no.
Oh, I don't think you know. Let's
I
see.
do.
Well, what is 10 plus 5? So if you already have 10, and then you add 15, you're right.
15.
So if you already have 10 and you add 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job.
Hey.
Yay.
Yes.
All right. Say bye.
I have to do more math, please.
More math.
Thanks for watching. Click subscribe for more videos.